update on the water damage camper. Got the floor in place. It's screwed down. I got the walls screwed down. Had to go to the store and get some more insulation and some lag bolts. My lag bolts weren't long enough to go all the way through. Got this wall I'm gonna work on after I get the front wall done. I just actually glued that piece of paneling in place. Glued and nailed it in place. I'm gonna glue and nail that one in place. Got a couple of spots that I got to put some insulation. It's out in the forward edge that I rebuilt from a collision. And it runs and drives good. It hasn't been aligned yet, but the steering wheel's off a little. But it don't bother it. It don't pull to the right or to the left. But I'm gonna finish up this front wall. And then this wall, the paneling is actually go from there to there. Then I'll cut out the door. I'll cut out the windows and doors after the glue dries. But this paneling comes down to about the center of this board here. Comes down to approximately 3 feet. But I haven't done that part yet because I gotta pull out this window here so I can cut around the window and pull the frame off, cut around the window. But I didn't want to bore you guys, so I'm not gonna keep going on this. It is about 11:30, 12 o'clock at night, Sunday. So I'm gonna call it a night. But it is coming along, one piece of paneling at a time. But thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Just out doing some work on the water damage camper. Just got done finishing up the roof. I gotta put rubber down, but it's been so humid out. It's so hot lately, I didn't want to do it. The back section, I actually pull the tarp back. Oh, let me see if I can do this with one hand. Yeah, I can. But as you see, you pull this side back section had some water damage, so I got it replaced. Vents and stuff are cut. The front, let me cover this back up. The front is done. It just needs the rest of it screwed down. I'll actually show you inside the camper. Excuse the mess. I am working. I have been cleaning though. I have been cleaning. Move some things here. Got new floor in here. New floor in. Got ceiling up. Got the front all paneled. I gotta finish doing some things. I got this section up to this section, and this part and that part up last night. I just started cutting out the window. As I told you guys, I got the windows out after I put the paneling up. It's much easier for me, so I don't have to cut it and waste a piece of paneling. It's easier to do it that way. Just a little bit of an update on the camper. As you see, the floors replaced. I actually put the door in, which I gotta pull it back out because of I forgot to put lag bolts in, or carriage bolts in for the step bracket. This part's done. All I gotta do is screw it down the rest of the way, put some insulation in, and that's why that piece of paneling it, and that's why this piece of paneling, focus, oh, there, that piece of paneling, and the piece back there ain't in. Got the front panel, both the upper, middle, and lower panel done. I did start cutting the windows. Like I tell everybody, I cut everything if I can when it's in, so I don't have to try to measure it out. Like, you got curve cuts, and I don't want to mess up. Price of wood right now is stupid ridiculous anyway. Still got to cut that vent out. I did get the roof wood done. Here, let's walk you outside and show you. There's 2 carriage bolts. I actually got to reinforce this, but there's 2 carriage bolts go in. One there and one over here, and then one here that I have to replace. That's why I haven't, this is why I gotta take the door back out. Still haven't done the rubber roof yet, because I just got done doing the wood. This section here was rotted out, so I replaced it. This, there's actually a support there, that's why I spliced it there. The rest of it, there's 1, 2, I think like 3 sheets of plywood that have been replaced. Here's the back section. That yeah, the center one this one didn't need to be replaced, but the back section has been replaced. It's all cut out. All the holes are cut. All the holes are drilled. I am gonna actually bring the rubber back further, so I'm gonna actually trim this off by the time I'm all done and over with. But I just wanted to give you guys a little bit update. A little bit of an update on the water damaged camper. Got all the plywood replaced I needed replaced. Few spots didn't need replaced. There's a brace there, that's why I spliced it there. All this needs screwed down. Back section's been replaced. Back here's been replaced. The reason why I'm not putting the rubber on is because it's been too hot out and too humid. So I'm hoping within the next few days the weather will break and it'll cool off a little bit so I can work with it. But I'll walk you inside. Walk you inside here. But I put the door in. Dummy me. Forgot to put the lag bolts or carriage bolts. Excuse me, carriage bolts in for the steps. There's a bolt that goes in over here. That bolt that goes in over there. Well, and if you notice, the step is actually bent down half an inch or so. So I gotta fix that. Got the new floor in. It's all been insulated. Got the new floor in here. And it actually comes back a little further. Got paneling up. Got the ceiling up. Got the front panel. Did this one here last night. Did the lower one last night. Did the lower one last night. I am cleaning it up, but I will be taking boards and making little trim pieces like this one here for everywhere that needs to be, like here. And don't know what I'm gonna do there yet. Got this window in this morning. Got it in this morning, and but I didn't cut this piece of paneling yet. The reason for that is because I gotta put some more screws in to screw it down here, and I gotta pull the door, put a lag bolt in, 2 lag bolts, and then there's carriage bolts. Sorry, excuse me about that. Got carriage bolts here. I gotta put a carriage bolt in down there to bolt it back down to its frame. Then I can cut this piece of paneling, this one here. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. It is coming along. It's been hot, so I want a video of me working on it. I want to, but it's been hot. Oh, there's a wasp. It's been hot, and just smacked the wasp back outside. It's been hot, so I kind of am not videoing, except for things I've done. But the plans is probably cut that piece of paneling, finish up that part tonight, finish up this part over here tonight. There's the insulation. Finish cutting this out and try to get the window in, because it is supposed to rain. It is supposed to rain, so or a chance of rain. So I'd like to get that window sealed in. I tell everybody to use butyl tape and lap sealant. This is some lap sealant I got. I think it's online. I don't remember, when I was working on the fire rebuild camper. I got it. But it's your friend. This it dries eventually, but it's still pliable. This is self-leveling, but use this stuff. It helps. It protects. I've realized. I'll actually go outside. And this all could have been prevented. All this water damage. There's rubber, like here, and this was on the roof. This is the trim part for up on the roof. Well, somebody put some kind of tape on it. Some kind of tape. Don't know what it is, but this piece here will probably end up having to be thrown away, and I'll have to get a new thing. But the plastic trim goes in here. Plastic trim. Well, normally when it's clean, it goes in like this. And the lap sealant, if you see here, I don't know how old this lap sealant is, but if you see, it's still pliable. But if you see where it's cracked, please, people, these are general maintenance things. I normally check two, maybe 3 times a year. Check on it. There's another wasp. Check on it just to make sure it's good. I've had some campers that I've fixed in the past for people because they had water leaks. Because of some of the dealers don't tell you about this. But you can pick up the lap sealant online, or Some Walmarts sell it. RV shops sell it. RV shops sell this stuff that, look at this, tape to hold the wall together. But RV shops sell this, or you can buy it online too, and replace it, because you're gonna have a leak if you don't. And but that's where I'm gonna leave this video. I will update you guys again very shortly. I'm gonna try to get as much I can done. Plan on painting very soon. Plan on trying to get some wall work done. Getting everything put back together. I'm gonna start putting all this back together too. As you guys see, I'm having a couple issues. This is out, so I'll put 3-inch screws in instead of what they have in there, and call that good. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. If you like this video, please like it, please share it. Trying to keep you guys in content. Still waiting on drill bit for the Dodge Journey GT rebuild. Rollover collision rebuild. If you don't know which one I'm talking about, go to its videos. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.